Real estate investing, while it is a great way to make money, it isn't for everyone. And in this video here, I'll be sharing the 5 most common reasons why new real estate investors fail. Now, of course, nobody wants to fail, but it happens all the time in real estate. And I don't have any exact numbers, but I would guess more than at least 50% of people who want to start buying real estate properties as investments fail before they even buy their very first property. And people that do get past that first hurdle may fail after their second or third, meaning they lose money and decide real estate investing is not for them. And now I don't want to scare you away, as real estate investing is a great platform that can be a lot of fun and extremely profitable if you do it right. However, there are some things that you need to have in place in order to be successful. So in this video here, I'm going to be sharing the 5 reasons why people fail in real estate so you can hopefully avoid them. So if you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a realtor in the GTA, and this is my channel where I share everything I've learned around real estate, finance, or personal development in general, helping you save time while still making the best and most educated decisions for yourself. So if you're interested in that type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to not miss out on any one of my future videos. And if you gain any bit of value from this video, make sure to smash the like button, as it would really help me out. Now be sure to stick around to the end, as number 5, in my opinion, is the biggest reason why people fail in real estate. Now the first reason why so many people fail in real estate is lack of education. And this happens with almost anything, as people see a select group of people making a lot of money and then they rush to that. And in this case, it just happens to be real estate. And then once they get into real estate, they soon fall flat on their face. Now, I'm not saying you need to pay thousands of dollars to those real estate investing mentors or gurus, but instead, I would first suggest you take the time, subscribe to a couple podcasts, subscribe to a couple YouTube channels, and pick up a few books and try to educate yourself on real estate investing and everything it has to entail. So when it comes to investing in real estate, your first investment in real estate shouldn't actually be real estate, but rather education around the topic. So 3 books I would recommend you look into would be, one is the Rental Property Investing book by Brandon Turner. And this just gives you a great general overview of what to expect with rental properties. And if you're looking for a more in-depth book about real estate investing, 2 books that are like a series, I guess you could call, would be the ABCs of Real Estate Investing and the Advanced Guide. And if you're in Canada like myself, then one of the best books I've read for the Canadian market is Investing in Canada, the ARC System. So if you are serious in investing in real estate, I'll link all 3 of these books in the description where you can pick them up on Amazon. Now this is an Amazon affiliate link, so I'll get a small commission that will cost you absolutely no difference. And if books aren't your thing, that's completely all right, as everyone learns differently. And when I'm not feeling like reading books, some podcasts that I turn to are the Real Estate Rookie, Bigger Podcast, and Passive Real Estate Investing. Also, a fantastic YouTube channel to subscribe to if you're interested in learning more about real estate investing is my own. So make sure to smash the subscribe button if you are interested in this topic and want to continue your education. Now, once you start to get educated on real estate and investing, your education you'll learn quite quickly will never be complete, as each deal is going to require different knowledge that you're going to have to learn each and every single time. The second reason why a lot of real estate investors fail, and that is simply due to bad math. And that is, a lot of people end up buying a rental property thinking that it is a smart investment, where in reality, they didn't run the numbers correctly, and soon they are hit with this absolute hard truth. Now, this isn't to say that the math associated with real estate investing is overly complicated, but you can't do it in your head, and it does take a little bit of time and practice to actually fully understand it. But the cool thing about this math is once you do understand it, you are able to not only accurately predict what a property will cash flow for you, but you will also be able to better understand whether this is a smart investment or a poor investment. And this is one of the reasons I believe real estate has an advantage over other asset classes, whether you're looking to invest in stocks, bonds, gold, or crypto, is you truly don't have much control over the end price. And that end price, for that matter, is a lot harder to predict, as you do not know what's going to happen in the future, as again, you do not control control what the supply and demand of the stock market is or what the economy is going to do, but I can bet your bottom dollar you can just set the amount of rent you want. You can control the amount of expenses you have associated with a property. Now, that's not to say that there won't become unexpected costs, but you can budget that in when you're looking at an investment property. To better understand the math associated with real estate so you can capitalize on the advantages real estate has to offer, there's two great resources I would recommend. The first being is all the free resources available on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel as well as look other channels as well, as there's a variety of different videos going over how to analyze deals. And if you're completely new to analyzing deals, look up the 4 square method. It is a great, easy method that you can do to help you better understand this real estate math. Now, if you don't truly want to understand this real estate math, I'd still recommend you watch 1 or 2 videos, but then head on over to the Bigger Pockets website where they literally have real estate investment calculators there for you, where you literally just punch in the numbers. So as long as you do the research and understand the numbers, it'll spit back at you the results all done for you. The third reason why a lot of real estate investors fail is bad management, as even if you find a good investment, it can easily turn sour and turn that asset into a liability if you're not managing it correct. So if you're trying to fix and flip properties, that means managing the project deadlines, contractors, and any other things associated with getting that house back on the market. And if you're rental properties, this is all about screening for the right tenants. As if you have the wrong tenants, not only can they cause a headache on you chasing them around to get those rent checks, but they could also cause severe damage on the property itself. And in Ontario, we are very tenant friendly. So if you do choose the wrong tenant, it can be an absolute nightmare to get them evicted. The fourth reason why a lot of real estate investors fail is that they lack the consistency and patience that real estate needs. As you see, when people see a lot of money being made in real estate, they immediately think that these people made money right away, where in reality, real estate is by no means a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a term that is going to give you long-term wealth. So when you're starting real estate, make sure you manage expectations, as you're not going to be building up a real estate portfolio that generates you passive income where you can immediately go sit on a beach, but rather over the years of accumulations of your real estate portfolio, then maybe you might have a portfolio that will generate you enough passive income that you can completely remove yourself. But if you're trying to do that within the next couple of years, real estate is probably not best for you, and you might want to go look at some other asset classes. And finally, number 5, and truly the reason why I think a lot of real estate investors fail, and that is simply that they give up too early. You see, Winston Churchill once said, "Success is about going from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm." And I think this is a great quote that not only applies to life, but real estate as well. As real estate, like I mentioned, is a long-term game. And in that long-term game, there's going to be ups and downs. There are some things you are going to fail at. You're going to hire a lousy contractor. Things are going to meet past the deadlines. You might even buy a bad investment property. But just that 1 or 2 or 3 failures doesn't define you. It's what you do about those failures. So when you fail, which is inevitable, ask yourself, why did I fail? What can I learn from it? And what can I do differently the next time to prevent that? So start moving forward with what you have now and start making mistakes. Some great ways to minimize these mistakes is through an increase in education, whether that's through books, podcasts, or YouTube videos, or by finding a local mentor in your market that has gone through the ringer and understands what you're going to be going through on your real estate investing journey. So there you guys have it. Those are the 5 reasons why a lot of real estate investors fail. And I know you aren't going to fail, because true failure only comes from when you quit. And I know that's not who you are. So make sure to hit the subscribe button to continue your education, and hit the notification bell to not miss out on any one of my future videos that will help you make a better informed decision, whether that's in real estate, finance, or personal development in general. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, as it would be greatly appreciated for me. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a fantastic and successful week, and I'll talk to you soon.